the newly cleaned Micro Swords tank, and I'm not sure, but I think I have a lot of new growth in there. Hoping to be able to pick it up on this video to see how it looks, but this thing was just completely carpeted with algae, and I had to scrub it and clean it up. But I planted these sparsely through here, and I believe there's a lot of new growth. Just kind of weird that this is the same plant that Dustin was working with last week on Species Sunday. Yes, I am a true turt convert. Now I'm going to put some snails into it. Got some snails right over here. Although I'll probably have some snails already because they were in there before, and I believe there's some there on those plants right now, still there. So I could just leave this alone like this and see what happens. Or I could throw a couple in there. I think I'll throw a couple in there. Let's see. Give me a good one. And there. That's pretty good reaching in one-handed. And hopefully if I put a bunch of these in here, and a bunch of them growing here, they will just keep eating the algae. And all those snail eggs right there, they'll hatch out too. Anyway, that's my Micro Swords tank. I forget the name.